Hi, how you doing? My name is Kelly Cooper. I'm from Beecher, Ontario, which is just north of Wallaceburg, a little small community. From previous experience, our other house that we own in Sombra, when we purchased it, it had a shingle roof, and that was one of the selling features, that it had just been shingled and it was good, and the 40-year shingles, and I think it was 6 years before we spent $7,000 and did it myself, spent $7,000 and did it myself, and was like, this is just ridiculous. And bought 50-year shingles, and then 10 years later, it's like they probably could be replaced again. So when we moved out here and got this place, it was a no-brainer. I'm sure the money was a little more expensive to start, or to put out, but I'm pretty sure that in the long run it'll be worth it. My wife works at Sarnia General Hospital, and her coworker had used you guys and gave a great recommendation that the price was cheaper than other companies. We about a year ago, I think when we first moved here, we got a price on the roof, and we were just blown away. So we can't afford that. So we just kind of forgot about it, and then her friend, during conversation, reminded her about London Eco Roof, London Eco Metals. So we decided to give you guys a call and get a quote, and quite surprised by the price. So in the meantime, when your salesperson came by, we did get a quote from another company just to confirm that where you guys were at. And then after hearing their process, which was completely different from yours, we decided that London Eco Metals is probably the best bet. I would absolutely recommend London Eco Metal to my family and friends. The experience was, it was trouble-free. I had no issues with anything. Like I said, the biggest thing for me is cleanup and quality. Everything I do on a daily basis is on the finest high quality level, whether it's my race cars or the carbon fiber parts we build in the shop. And so that's what I look for out of a company, is their craftsmanship and the regard for finest high quality, and I think that they hit all the marks.